A flat belly isn't just about crunches and cardio. What you eat plays a massive role. Some foods, no matter how tempting, can sabotage your efforts. Here are the top 10 foods that you should steer clear of. First on the list are sugary beverages. Sodas, sweetened teas, and energy drinks are packed with empty calories and high amounts of sugar. This sugar gets converted into fat, especially around your midsection, making it harder to achieve a flat belly. Number 2, refined carbs. Foods like white bread, pasta, and pastries might taste great, but they can spike your blood sugar levels and lead to fat storage, especially in the abdominal area. Swap these for whole grains to keep your belly in check. Third, we have fried foods. Loaded with unhealthy trans fats and excess calories, fried foods can contribute to belly fat and increase your risk of heart disease. If you're aiming for a flat belly, it's best to avoid these altogether. Next up, processed meats like sausages, bacon, and deli meats. These are often high in saturated fats and sodium, which can cause bloating and lead to weight gain, particularly around your belly. Hey, if you are enjoying this video, tell us your opinion in the comments section and which country you're watching from. Leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Back to the video. Fifth on the list are full-fat dairy products. While dairy can be a great source of calcium, full-fat versions can add unnecessary calories and fat to your diet, leading to bloating and making it harder to maintain a flat belly. Opt for low-fat or plant-based alternatives instead. Number 6, alcohol. Unfortunately, those happy hour drinks might be sabotaging your flat belly goals. Alcohol is high in empty calories and can slow down your metabolism, leading to increased fat storage around your midsection. Stick to moderation if you want to keep your belly flat. Seventh on the list is high-sodium foods. Packaged snacks, canned soups, and instant noodles are loaded with sodium, which can cause water retention and bloating. Reducing your sodium intake is key to achieving a flat belly. Eighth on the list, sweets and desserts. Cakes, cookies, and candies are packed with sugar and unhealthy fats. These indulgences not only add extra calories, but also contribute to fat storage, especially in the belly area. Enjoy them occasionally, but don't make them a regular part of your diet. Ninth, artificial sweeteners. You might think sugar-free options are better, but artificial sweeteners can actually increase your cravings for sugary foods and cause digestive issues, leading to bloating and discomfort. And finally, fast food. Burgers, fries, and pizza from your favorite fast food joint are loaded with unhealthy fats, refined carbs, and sodium. This combination is a recipe for belly fat. If you want a flat belly, it's best to cook at home with fresh, whole